Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you remove lock screen app when you forgot the password. So guys, there is only one way to remove lock screen app when you forget the password, and it is to erase your phone. So to erase your device, just go to your phone settings. Now in the top first option, about phone, just click on it. Now in your about phone, here you can see factory reset, just click on it. Now just click the bottom middle, erase all data. Here you can see in the bottom left side factory reset and the right side backup. If you want a backup, then click on backup, and if you don't want it, just click on factory reset. And after clicking it, your phone will be like a new phone and your all data will be lost, and only then you can just remove your lock screen app. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.